Hey guys, it's Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a 2024 Aviara AV28 Surf. This is a demo boat that we just got over here. We're going to make a great deal on this boat, so if you're interested, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. This boat is in the gray hull color, black hull bottom. We've got a white top cap, black rub rail, stainless steel insert. We've got our integrated dock lights and our nav lights up here in the bow. Really cool pop-up cleats all down the side of the boat. Let's take a look at the back and I can show you some more. Guys, here at the back of the boat, you'll see we have more lighting in the rub rail, as well as underwater lighting here on the back, and some really cool lighting that you'll see in the inside of the boat when we get up there. We got a really nice swim platform. This boat does have the Bravo 4S reverse stern drive here on the back. We've got a fold down swim step that's right up here. It makes it easy to relax there in the water or get up and on this swim platform. We also have a telescoping swim ladder that tucks away here on the side. You'll see under here we've got our surf tabs. This boat does have the Surf Star system on it. I can show you a little bit more about that when we hop inside. Guys, as you'll see, we're up here in the bow of the AV28 Surf. There's a lot of space in this boat. It's great for entertaining. There's a lot of storage. As we look underneath the seats, we've got storage all the way throughout. We've got cup holders placed strategically around the boat. We've got an aft and a forward stereo remote so you can control your volume and your songs from the front or the rear of the boat. We've also got a nice anchor locker up here with a windlass and charging outlets on both sides. We've got a nice wind dam here, so if you're going to be cruising in the fall, want to enjoy some of those leaves that are changing in the fall, you can close this cabin off and stay out of the wind, as well as have your heaters on. As we look here at the helm, we've got a big tent compartment here. There's a lot of space down there with a pump out head and a sink. And over here at the helm, we've got a tilt steering wheel. We've got our Surf Star system here and a Simrad right in the center of the dash. This boat is equipped with the 8.2 liter high output, 430 horsepower Cruiser engine and digital throttle over here. So we've got our Mercury Active trim. We've got inductive phone chargers on both sides of the boat. And once again, I mentioned this boat is great for entertaining. So we have these swing back chairs. So if you want to get some more space here in the cockpit, all you got to do is slide these forward and you got a lot of entertaining space here. As we move back, you can see we've got audio that's really well hidden throughout the boat. More cup holders and phone chargers. We've got our rear view camera up here, so if you got some guys surfing in the back, you can keep an eye on them from the dash. As we move back to the swim platform, you can see we've got this nice entryway with more storage underneath me. All of this is well lit. We've got lights strategically placed throughout the boat. And as we move back to the swim platform, you can see here's that other stereo remote that I was talking about. But also, we've got rear firing speakers here on the bottom, and this whole thing slides out to where you have a bigger sun pad. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you want to come take a look at it, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.